Welcome to the wonderful world of polygons. Poly means many and gon means sides. What is a polygon? A polygon is a closed plane figure formed by three or more line segments. Each segment intersects only two other segments at their endpoints. No two segments with a common endpoint are collinear. So, these are on the left side are actually examples of polygons. This is a pentagon, this is a triangle, quadrilateral, and a hexagon. On this side are the examples of not polygons. Polygons can be classified into two. We have the regular polygons and the irregular polygons. Regular polygons have the following characteristics. Number one, they have equal sides, number two, equal angles, and they have to be convex. So what's the meaning of convex? Convex means there is no part of the diagonal that is found on the exterior. So for example, let me focus on this type of polygon. This cannot be convex because if I draw the diagonal right here, by the way, that's a diagonal, then the diagonal part of the diagonal or the diagonal, a lot of the points of the diagonal are found in the exterior. Therefore, this example of a pentagon is non-convex, which is also called concave. What are irregular polygons? An irregular polygon is a polygon that's not regular. So whenever it does not guarantee all of these, then it becomes irregular. Now let's review. The types of polygons are, it starts with a triangle, that's the basic, a three-sided polygon. A triangle can also be called three-gons. As you can see, we say the number of sides and then we say gons. That's just the basic way of um, pretty much how to name them, okay? So quadrilateral has four sides, pentagon has five, hexagon has six, heptagon has seven, octagon eight, nonagon nine, decagon 10, and you can do some research on what 11, 12, 13, and some other polygons are called, but I will end our review at this point. And then, once again, a quadrilateral that has four sides can also be named as four gons. A pentagon can also be named as five gons. And so, argumentatively, if I ask you the name of 11-sided polygon, you can say, well, miss, I can call it 11 gons. And you should be correct when you say that. Okay, so let's review parts of a polygon. So this is intended to be a five-sided polygon, which is a hexagon, and this is intended to be showing the diagonal. So the connections of the segments or the sides are called vertices or vertex. This is a side, it's a segment, they are segments, and the diagonal is a segment that connects any two non-consecutive vertices of your polygon. So this and this are non-consecutive, so that's a diagonal. Just for emphasis purposes, this is another diagonal. And again, just for emphasis purposes, this is another diagonal. And this is another diagonal. Oh, and there's another one. This is another diagonal. Those are all diagonals. Because a diagonal, again, because a diagonal is a segment that connects any two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. So any two non-consecutive vertices, when connected, you are creating a diagonal. So once again, this is a pentagon. I may have accidentally mentioned that this is a hexagon. Absolutely not. This is a five-sided polygon, which is a pentagon. All right. So once again, a diagonal is a segment that connects any two non-consecutive vertices of a polygon. Let us now have some examples. Okay, just to review once again about concave and convex, regular and irregular. This is an irregular concave quadrilateral. It's a quadrilateral still because it's made up of vertices and segments. This is an irregular convex, irregular because not all sides are congruent. However, a square is a typical example of a regular convex polygon. Why regular? Because all the sides are congruent, all the angles are equal, and it is convex.